Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to YouTube channel. 6 was for international students to building scale with online resource. A content to your student with actual result can curious successful acquisition experience. I can help 12 improvement skill using a new after your guides expand scale. You may be student free success but not attack this optional action box coding program course to round out skill site overview physical measure constant web development a try or manage organization after course to learn much needed technical skill come hands on web movies faster digital course at always.com and correct are complex online education provide programming and course merely RBC lunch and skill building tools and program to help explain your resource. 3. Restrict your network. Right personal network possible right for improvement library. Man, many students feel changing manage money during school because their distance from support system. International students feel changing. It's always great time about your financial literacy. Learn how to create widgets, manage, create, save for features with online programs such take your target, save, learn more, very improvement, financial topic and because natural package. Basic 5 post your digital library. 7 management COVID international student New Canada social distance student. So thanks for watching. Like subscribe my channel for latest information.